Hey there, I'm Kate Silver, and if you want to design some gorgeous wedding stationery in Canva, then you've come to the right place. Quick story, I designed my own sister's save the date card using Canva, and I realized how easy and fun it is to create gorgeous designs, even if you're not a pro. And now I can't wait to show you how to do the same. Now, who am I? I'm a top teacher on Skillshare with over 20,000 students and a background in fashion design and graphic design. Whether you're planning your very own wedding or wanting to start a side hustle in graphic design, or simply a Canva beginner wanting to learn Canva from A to Z, this class will give you everything you need to know. We'll start with the basics like Canva shortcuts and wedding formats. Then we'll dive into creating invitations, save the dates, and even animated GIFs. By the end of this class, you'll have a fully designed wedding suite. I've put together free cheat sheets with font guides, format sizes, and Canva shortcuts, specifically for this class. I'll be sharing Canva tips you'll wish you'd known sooner. By the end of this class, you'll know how to use Canva efficiently, with shortcuts and design techniques, and most importantly, have a fully designed wedding suite. Beautiful, cohesive, and ready for printing and to share digitally. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. It's going to be super fun. So voila, let's get started.